just made a video yesterday about how terribly dry it is, and it is pouring right now. Even if this just lasts 5 or 10 minutes, it is way better than anything we can do with garden hoses. Oh. Ah, so exciting.
Today, we're having a compost party in the garden, and I'm just bursting with excitement. I want to make some really good compost. Our soil here is just not, it's just not very ideal. And you know, we've rototilled it the past couple years, and when I look at the soil, I'm really not happy with how the environment that it is for microbial life. So I want to make some fine compost. So why am I calling this a compost party? If you want to have a good party, you want to have all kinds of people there, not just people who are like you. You also want to have a bunch of really good food and snacks. Here I have a whole bunch of materials. This is a pile of wood chips, grass clippings, cow manure, and pig manure, forest, floor, litter. This is bedding from a chicken brooder, and it basically is wood shavings and chicken manure, and then over here a bunch of hay. You want all kinds of bacteria and fungal life in your compost pile. If you want to have a good party, what do you do? Well, if you want a diverse group of people there, you're going to go to a lot of different places and invite all kinds of people. You're not just going to invite people from your neighborhood. In these materials are not only the guests to the party, our friends, the bacteria and fungi, especially in the manure, lots of bacteria in the manure, lots of fungi friends in the forest floor litter. Also, the snacks are here. So if you want a diverse group of bacteria and fungi to live in your compost pile and thrive, you're gonna have to have a lot of snacks, just like if you want your friends to stick around at your party. The bulk of our material is hay, wood chips, and then the shavings with chicken manure, but we're gonna be mixing in this forest floor litter and the grass clippings just to help seed the compost pile, or theoretically help seed the compost pile with a variety of life forms. The fungi's in the house. The fungi's in the house. The fungi's in the house. Bacteria. The fungi's in the house. Bacteria. The fungi's in the house. Bacteria. The fungi's in the house. Got a lot of snacks in the house and a lot of friends coming. The friends coming. Okay, the compost party in the rain is over for now. We've got these 3 big compost piles. Well, pretty big. New development. This duck figured out how to get out of here. How did she do that? How did you do that? How did you get out? Don't leave your babies! There's how she got out. This needs to be centered on up down here. The ducks are doing awesome. All of them are alive and healthy. And this actually will be a compost bin as well. I'm just building it up with layers of hay and duck poop. And then when they're big enough to get out of here, we'll turn it into a big, giant compost pile. I'm gonna just give you a really fast garden update, super high speed.
Beans are popping up and germinating. Corn is popping up and germinated. Pumpkins and squash are popping up. The tomato plants are in the ground and mulched. That was last night in the dark. Potatoes are popping up here. These will be our winter storage potatoes, and potatoes are popping up here. The peas are finally just producing a ton where you can go out and pick handfuls at a time.
That's the garden update for now. I forgot to say one thing. If you're gonna have a party, you gotta have good drinks, so plenty of water. Mama duck is going back to her babies. You don't want to get in there while I'm watching? Okay. Maybe she needs a stool. Maybe she needs a little ramp. That's pretty funny because she just flew a minute ago from there to all the way down there, and then she couldn't get over a hay bale. Well, I've been in the garden for almost the whole day, so I think it's probably time I rejoin my family. I mean, they've been out here with me some, but I'm done in the garden for now. Thanks for joining me for a compost party. Wilder, that's not okay. That's not okay. You can't climb up on top of the duck cage. Yeah, duck. You're right. That's a duck. 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 I'm trying to harvest some lettuce. You need to jump down. You can watch them, but you need to stand right here and watch them. Stand here and watch the ducks, okay? I know that's not as good of you. Ah, look at that. He's standing on that strap. He's living up to his name. Mr. Wilder, jump down off there again. Now you need to stay down here. Whoa, doing a split. Stay down here, okay? Don't climb up there again. You gotta stay down. I thought my next scene was gonna be somewhere else, but I'm back in the garden again.
The garden's the best place on the property to be, except for maybe the back pasture.
We'll get a little bit of arugula. It's getting a little bit bitter, so most of this will just be mown down. It adds a really nice flavor to a salad, a little spicy and delicious.
We have so many salad greens. We've been eating them as often as possible. They're all really starting to get bitter though, so pretty soon I will pull up all the lettuces that haven't flowered. I'm gonna leave everything that's flowered, I'm gonna leave. So I can harvest the seeds, but also to bring pollinators into our garden, and then and beneficial insects. And then everything else I'm gonna pull, and I'm gonna do like a chop and drop kind of mulch on this bed. And then I'm also gonna I'm gonna cover it in compost and mulch it. And this will actually still be a greens bed come fall.
Did you say compost?
Yes, I'm gonna cover it in compost and then mulch it.
Compost.
What's wrong with compost?
Everything's right about compost. What are you planting, girl?
Just some zinnias. I'm popping flowers in anywhere there's a bare spot.
Are you gonna eat your salad?
No.
What about you?
Our salad spinner broke. Did you lose motivation?
I didn't lose motivation, I was really busy. 2 baths, 2 kids got baths.
Seriously?
Well folks, it's been another great day on the homestead. I don't know what else to say except for compost.